Hello friends, welcome to the Modern Tech Tips YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw the CSWA drawing file in AutoCAD 2018. So this is this question is from the Certified SolidWorks exam model questions. So I'm going to draw this 2D and 3D model, and I will calculate the mass at the end of the video. So we have three constants here, A, B and C. The constants are given here. A is equal to 81 mm, B is equal to 57 and C is equal to 43, and the density of this material is 0.0079 gram per millimeter cube. The material is AISI 1020 steel. Let's start drawing this file. Now go to the AutoCAD, open the new file, and open the ACAD DWT file. At first I will turn off the grid. Let's check the units. So our units in inch, so we will change this unit to the millimeters, and precision we will keep the to. So let's click the OK. Now let's start drawing this drawing using the line command. So I will turn on the ortho mode. So first line I will draw the line with 29 mm length. So from here I will draw again the vertical lines having 24 mm length. So again I will draw one line having 5 mm distance from here to here, and again one just random line having 135 degree angle. So press the tab button and put your 135 degree angle. So the AutoCAD measure from this vertical line. So while you want to put the 45, we have to put 135 so that it will go this direction. Now let's use the trim command. So type the TR, press enter 2 times, trim this and trim this part, and again use trim command and trim this line as well. Now we will draw again the vertical line having the length 33 and one horizontal line having the length 29, and we will join this point and the end point of this line. So let's delete this and this line. I will draw one line, turn the ortho mode, and just random line. I don't know what length is right now, so I will just draw the random length, and from 19 above this point I will draw one line, just random line. I don't know how much length is, so I'm just drawing one the random length until this point. Now I will draw another line from this point having the distance A. So A is 81, and just I will connect this point and this point. So let's use trim command. I will trim this part, and let's delete this and this. We don't need this point now. So from here I will draw one line having distance 32 mm. Now from this point to this point I'll draw one line having 7 mm length. Similarly, I will draw one line from here to here having length 7 mm. Now turn off the grid ortho mode, and now I will draw one line which is 45 degree. So press the tab button and put the value 45. Similarly, from here I'll draw one line having 45 degree angle. So press tab button and press 45. So we have 45 degree two lines here. Again I will create one line, this point which is 14 mm in distance. So let's delete those 7 mm line. And now use the trim command. So type TR, press enter 2 times. So trim this, and trim this, trim this, and trim this. So now I'm going to draw one line, this line which is 10 degree from this horizontal line, and I have to draw one arc as well. So let's start with line command, and I will draw a little bit larger line. Later I can trim it. So just hit the tab key and put the angle 10 and make the line long enough. So again let's draw the arc. I will use the start end radius arc. So the start point will be this point and the arc will be a little bit longer. So just to flip this, you can just drag this center point and you can flip the direction. So let's use the to make those this line and this arc tangent, we will need some constraint. So at first I will use the fixed constraint to fix this point of the arc. So use the, you see here the arc is selected, so select the arc, and again we will fix this line, the both point, this point and this point. Fix this point and fix this point as well. So the both points are now fixed. I will use the radius constraint to make this radius 19. So right now here you see the radius is 30. So I will use the 19 to make this radius 19 mm. So it will always be 19. Now use the tangent command to make this line and this radius tangent to each other. Select this arc, select this line. Now they are tangent with each other. Now use the trim command. So type TR enter 2 times and trim this radius and this line. So we got here nice arc. So you can, now we can delete this constraint. So we don't need this as well. I'm going to extend this line until this line. So go to the home, go to the extend, press enter. So click this here and this line will extend it to this point. Now let's draw this circle. So we need this arc. So we will draw one circle from here with having radius 29. So choose the center and the radius circle. We will use this radius, and the radius will be 29. Now we will trim this unwanted circle. So type the TR command press enter, choose the cutting point. So the cutting point will be this line and this line. Press enter, and now cut this circle. So again use the tr command to trim this part and this part. Now we will draw one flat here. So go to the flat, choose the R for the radius. So radius will be 5 mm. So select this and this first and second line, and we will have the flat here. So this here it says this arc and this arc are tangent. So when we create the flat, it automatically become tangent. Both arc will be automatically become tangent. Now we will need to draw one circle here. This circle, so it is 14 mm from this vertical line and 14 mm above this horizontal line. So let's create the line from here. Use the ortho mode, create the vertical line, and again create one line from here which is 14 mm, and draw the line until another vertical line. So this is our center. So it is 14 mm from here and 14 mm from this line. So now create this circle. It has diameter 14. So let's delete the unwanted lines. Yeah, that's all. We got this drawing here. Now it's time to create the 3D model. So change this 2D wireframe to the shaded with edges. Now change this view to the SW isometric. Now we will use the press pull button to extrude this. So the height will be C is 43. Here we have our drawing. So select the UCS icon and click the turn off. So now we will measure its weight. So to calculate the weight, the AutoCAD, we cannot measure the accurate weight using AutoCAD because the density is always 1. By default the density is always 1. So we will use the volume, and we will multiply the volume with the density, and we will calculate the weight. So at first let's find this volume. To find the volume, type the mass prop command, and select the object. So select this object and press the enter. It will show you its mass. So the mass is 1189. The volume is 118929.06. So the mass and volume are here same because the AutoCAD automatically set the density to 1. So the mass and volume are equal. Now we will use the calculator. So its volume is 118929.06. So we will multiply this volume with its density. So its density is 0.0079. So we will multiply this volume with density 0.0079. So its weight is 939.539, which is if we round this value, so it will be 939.54. So if we round this, 939 can be 39 can be taken as 4 if we round it. So the answer will be D, 939.54. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for new videos. So take care. Bye.